Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sonic Generations on mobile. First, understand that there isn't an official mobile port of the game. However, you can still enjoy this classic by using emulation. This process involves running a console emulator on your mobile device. We'll cover the necessary steps and considerations to get you started, ensuring you have the best possible experience playing Sonic Generations on the go. To begin, you'll need to select a suitable emulator. There are several options available, depending on whether you're using an Android or iOS device. Next, check your device's specifications. A modern smartphone with at least 6 GB of RAM and a fast processor will provide the best performance. Finally, you must legally acquire the game's ROM file, ideally from a copy you already own, to avoid copyright issues. Once you have your emulator and game file, install the emulator application on your phone or tablet. After installation, open the emulator and navigate to its file browser to load your Sonic Generations ROM. You might need to adjust some settings within the emulator, such as video resolution or control mapping, to enhance your gameplay. Experiment with these options to find the perfect balance for a smooth and enjoyable experience. For the best experience, consider pairing a Bluetooth controller with your mobile device. This will significantly improve your control over Sonic and make the gameplay much more enjoyable than using on-screen touch controls. Also, remember to close any unnecessary background applications to dedicate maximum processing power to the emulator. This helps prevent lag and ensures smoother performance. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.